Hey, I need to tell you something. Something I really hoped I'd never have to say. Well, I try to spare you the messy details. But, it's coming anyway. You see, once it starts, there's no stopping it. No checking. No second chances. My body has made the final call. And, it's coming. And it won't be pretty.
I've tried to breathe, tried to stall, try to act like nothing's wrong at all, but every step gets harder now, and my guts, they're screaming, counting down. Here I am, trying to look calm, but seriously, I can't hold it much longer. I glance around, hoping no one sees, cursing the floors, the doors, everything in sight. I said I'd change, eat less spice, maybe lay off the beat. Yeah, right, it's not helping now. My body's in charge and it's ruthless. My legs shaking, my gut screaming, I hate this. It's a race I didn't want to run, and damn it, I'm losing fast. I try to slow down, try to act fine, but every step burns in my guts. They're mocking my will. When I have to go, I have to go. I'll drop it. It stays. If I must, I can't pretend. This shit has to get a friend. It's coming.
Next time, I won't wait.